So I wanted to hop on here, do a quick video on repairing these cables. Well, these are to the clutch. You can use it for whatever type of cable, throttle, clutch, brake. I made a video before, I'll probably end up deleting it, I don't know, where I used JB weld to put on here. And I've had that work before, but I don't know if it's just, these are throttle cables to an old Polaris Colt. And I've had the JB weld work, but I don't know if it's just the JB weld I was using was very old, but it crumbled. Or I don't know, maybe the throttle just doesn't seem like there should be that much force, but any route, it didn't work. So anyway, what I did is I took a drill bit that was the same diameter as the original cable, and I drilled a hole in a piece of wood. I chose to drill right in the middle of a knot because it's harder wood, won't burn as much. So I drilled right in the center of the knot, and I went the depth, and I even test fitted, put the old one in there, test fitted the depth, so I had the hole size that I wanted. And then I just took some regular paste flux, filled the hole, and then I took the cable and I cleaned it off really well. You can use brake cleaner, any type of cleaner just to get grease off. Clean the cable real well. And then I took a torch and some solder, and I melted the solder into that hole until it was full of solder. And then I just took my cable, dunked it in there, and then just held it till that solder got cold, got hard, and then pulled it out. And this is the end result. And I'll compare that with the original. So I've tugged on this one, and just tugging on it, it seems strong enough. So we're going to give that a try. So this is round 2 with these cables. There again, I've had the JB weld work, but for some odd reason, JB weld's typically not crumbly, and this just was real crumbly. So I'm thinking it was pretty old JB weld. I might use that up or leave that video up just for those who don't have, I don't know, maybe you're in a pinch and don't have solder, but if you have solder, I would recommend trying this route. So I hope this helps. There again, these are the old style for the Polaris Colt snowmobile, and you can get reproductions, but they're kind of spendy. And me being a cheap bastard, I kind of wanted just to do this if I could. So there again, on my other video, it shows how to just harvest the wire that I used off an old lawnmower and blah, blah, blah. So I might leave that up, and you can kind of gain something from both, maybe a combination of both videos. So this is the clutch, or not clutch, but the throttle cable update.